starting a new cane. I'm going to put a tip on this one. I don't normally do it because I just don't think they're pretty, but it makes it a lot nicer if you want to walk with it. I'm going to Gorilla Glue it on to the end there. And I think I'm going to make another little guy on here, a little head on the top. That's kind of my plan, kind of like my grumpy man. Still trying to get better at doing guys' heads. Now I'm going to leave enough up here to carve a head on it. All right, gonna be a person's bust. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet with it totally. He's mostly done. Old white-haired guy. Not sure what I'm going to name him yet. Got to do a little more work on this cane, and I'll polyacrylic him when he's all done, when it's all dry. Okay. Just sanding down the cane with the finger sander, which is really nice. The flat disc makes it kind of rough, so just go down with one more layer, get off some of the rough stuff from the flap sander on the angle gun. Thinking of doing some more design on the way down. It's pretty wood, but maybe I'm thinking of making something a little decorative on it. Not sure yet.